Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to pause Instagram Reels. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here, mine is actually pausing. Okay, so what you'll do is just basically tap anywhere inside the reel. Okay, tap on it and it will pause. Now, for some reason, you can't pause the reel. Okay, well, this feature right here was rolled out, okay, on March 18th. Okay, so you should be able to pause your video right now. If not, okay, when you go ahead and tap on it, it just mutes and unmutes the reel. Well, you could just go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store, find Instagram, okay, and just make sure that you update the Instagram app. Okay, I just updated mine earlier. So I have the pause and unpause feature. Okay, you don't have to go to settings to make use of that feature. All you got to do is just update your Instagram app to the latest version. Now, if you have a relatively old phone and you can't update the Instagram app, unfortunately, you won't be able to pause or unpause a reel. You'll just have the option to mute it. Okay, there you have it. That is how you pause Instagram Reels. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.